Remember that you have the links to all the accommodations in the description.
In this exciting series, SuiteTrails takes you on an enlightening journey through South Africa's cost-effective living options. Discover 7 unique and affordable ways to make your lifestyle sustainable and within reach. Join us as we explore these practical solutions today. Urban Elephant 16. Onbree features accommodations within 0.9 miles of the center of Cape Town, with free Wi-Fi and a kitchen with a microwave, a toaster, and a fridge. This property offers a rooftop pool and free private parking. The accommodation provides a 24-hour front desk, an elevator, and luggage storage for guests. A terrace with an outdoor dining area and sea views is offered in select units. Located in Cape Town, a 7-minute walk from 3 Anchor Bay Beach, Home Suite Hotels Sea Point has accommodations with an outdoor swimming pool, free private parking, a shared lounge and a terrace. With free Wi-Fi, this 4-star hotel offers a shared kitchen and a concierge service. Some rooms at the property feature a balcony with a city view. A vegetarian option can also be requested. Providing a bar, Lions View Accommodation offers accommodations in Nelspruit. This property offers access to a balcony, free private parking, and free Wi-Fi. The accommodation provides full-day security and room service for guests. A flat-screen TV is provided. The guest house offers bed, linen, towels, and daily room service. Breakfast can be enjoyed on-site daily, which includes fruit and cheese. Grazia Luxury Overnight Accommodation is a recently renovated bed and breakfast in Harrismith near Harrismith Golf Course. The air-conditioned accommodations are 27 miles from Sterkfontein Dam Nature Reserve, and guests can benefit from private parking available on-site and free Wi-Fi. Guests have access to a beauty services, fitness room, and can also attend fitness classes. Neighborhood 84 Harrington offers accommodations in Cape Town, 2.7 miles from V and a waterfront, and 2.9 miles from CT She. With city views, this accommodation features a swimming pool. The property is 1.9 miles from Robben Island Ferry, and within 600 yards of the city center. All units are equipped with a flat-screen TV and a fully equipped kitchenette with a fridge. Cloverley Guest House is a recently renovated guest house in George, where guests can make the most of its garden and terrace. With mountain views, this accommodation features a patio and a swimming pool. The guest house also provides free Wi-Fi, free private parking, and facilities for disabled guests. A microwave, a toaster, and fridge are also provided, as well as a kettle. Providing free Wi-Fi, private parking, and a garden, the recently renovated property, the Wantage Suites, offers rooms in Johannesburg, 2.1 miles from Parkview Golf Club, and 3.3 miles from Sandton City Mall. Housed in a building dating back to 2022, this guest house is 3.4 miles from Gautrain Sandton Station and 4.7 miles from Johannesburg Stadium. Outdoor seating is also available at the guest house.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.